Hello students, again I am with second part of the chapter Misbal the otter. So here Misbal, as I called otter, was in fact of a race previously unknown to science and was at length christened by zoologist Rotrogale Perspicillata Maxwelli or Maxwell's otter. So author had given name to the otter Misbal on the name of Maxwell's otter, क्योंकि Maxwell otter was zoologist who had discovered this race. तो उनके नाम पर ही, जिस जूलॉजिस्ट ने इसको डिस्कवर किया था उनके नाम पर ही उन्होंने उसका नाम मिसबेल रख दिया था. So next for the first day Misbel was neither hostile, means neither he was friendly nor he was unfriendly, and he was sitting alone and he was sleeping at the distance from the bed of the author. And then next day Misbel came onto my bed in the small hours, means in the morning, and remained asleep in the crook of my knees until the servant brought tea in the morning. And then he was when in the morning he came to author's bed and he slept there, and also he was sleeping till in the morning, and when a servant brought tea for author. And during the day he began to lose his apathy and take a too keen interest in his surrounding. Means next day when he awoke he started to be aware about his surrounding. And I made a body belt, and the author made a body belt around his body so that he could lead him. And in this way he had tied with a belt. A belt was attached with that otter. And when he took him to the bathroom, then this otter became very happy, overjoyed, and he was like wild with joy, because these animals, they want to play in water, they want to splash in water like hippopotamus. And this I was to learn is a characteristic of otters. Every drop of water must, so to speak, extended and spread over place. A bowl must at once be overturned, means they want to play with water on the floor, in the bowl, they want to splash, and they don't want to waste a drop of water, and they want to play continued. And he sat in the splashed in the until it overflows. Water must be kept on the move and made to do things, means he wants to touch water, he wants to move water, he wants to splash in the water. When static, it is wasted and provoking. Now next 2 days later Misbel escaped from my bathroom, means he was able to go to bathroom itself, and I turned to see his tail disappearing, means he was able to see his tail and he was disappeared, and he was moving from the corridor and led to the bathroom. By the time I got there, that he was up on the end of the bathtub and fumbling means trying to do something in a very clumsy, means in a very awkward way. And less than a minute he had turned the tap for enough to produce a trickle of water. So trickle means flow of water, means here he was successful to open the tap, and so that water could run, water could flow. And after a moment or two achieved the full flow, he had been lucky to turn the tap the right way. On later occasions he would sometimes screw it up still tighter. And chittering means making noisement with irritation and disappointment at the tap's failure to cooperate. When he was not be able to open the tap, he would feel irritated. Very soon Miss would follow me without a lead and come to me when I called his name, means he was not needed any hold, and he would come whenever the author would call. And he spent most of his time in play. He spent hours shuffling a rubber ball. This is type of game. He started playing with a rubber ball around the room like a four-footed Soxer playing using all four. Like Soxer, he used to play with rubber ball and feet to dribble the ball, and could also throw it with a powerful flick of the neck, and he would move it with a force, and with the force means for a light movement and to a surprising height and distance. But the real play of an otter is when he lies on his back. The real play is when he lies down and on his back and juggles with small objects between his paws. Marbles were Mitch's favorite toys for his pastime. Means he would play with marbles. He would like on his बैक रोलिंग टू और मोर ऑफ देम. वो क्या करता था, अपनी पीठ पर उनको रख करके उनको रोल करता था. एंड फ्लैट बेली विदाउट एवर ड्रॉपिंग वन टू द फ्लोर. और जब वो पेट के बल होता था, ही वुड कीप देम ऑन हिज बेली. बेली मीन्स स्टमक. एंड इट वुड नॉट रोल. और ये कभी भी लुढ़कती भी नहीं थी. सो juggle means many object to make movement. So these are about the playing games he had chosen, and he did it because he would like to play with these objects. Okay students, there you have learnt about the mischievous activities of otter, and about how much he became affectionate with the author, and he was busy in playing the games, and he was enjoying splashing of water, and we have come to know about this type of animal in this part of the chapter. Okay students, I will start in my next video third part of this story. Till then, okay, Jai Hind students.